several API in this project, and I have written unit test cases as well. That is all about me. Thank you.
So, what is this project about?
So project, it means we can say like suppose in our organization like multiple applications are there, so we can say like when we deploy our application on production, so that time we are not able to see logs on production. So that's why this deploy microservice came in role. So with the help of this microservices, we are able to see logs after deployment also on production. So suppose we have a like one users microservices, so the when we build that one microservices, so we create one log file. So with the help of file we read that one file, and we have to configure some key value pair like microservice name, microservices port, and logging label. We have to configure these things, and we have to provide that one things also. And after that read that one file log file with the help of file read, and after that we store the that one log file inside the Elasticsearch as a index format, and with the help of Kibana we read that one logs.
Your project is about moving these log files to Kibana.
Sorry.
No, what is this application doing? So, your application is going to move the log files to Kibana?
Yeah, with the help of this, we are able to see logs on Kivana after deployment on production. Before this, we are not able to see logs after deployment on production. So that's why this microservices came in role.
Okay, so this microservice has an API endpoint, or what does it have? Is it a batch application, or is it a REST
REST
application?
APIs are there.
REST application.
Yes.
So, what are the endpoints that were there in this?
So firstly, like we check the health. So health related endpoints are there, and like check status. Like it is microservices up or down like that. So these endpoints are there, and many endpoints are there, like get, post, put.
Yeah, what are those? I mean, what do they do? So, you take up one post endpoint. So, what does this post endpoint does?
Yeah, so for post endpoints, like we need some details from other microservices. So like microservices name, microservice port number, and so important details we need. So with the help of port mapping, we are doing this, and with the help we are saving this data inside the MySQL database, and then we are
So, when
retrieving this one data also with the help of Get API.
so so when you send these details, right, microservice name, etc. So, you're going to store it in Postgres.
Sorry.
Is that what you said? So, you're going to store it in Postgres, is it?
MySQL database.
Sorry.
Oh yeah, yeah.
I'm sorry. So, it's stored in MySQL. So, what is the point of doing this? So, when you save all these details, what is the next thing that happens after that? I want to understand your application, what it does.
Mm-hmm.
Basically, I'm not able to get that, so asking for that particular thing. So, in a post method, you are
Mm-hmm.
going to take all these details and you are going to store it in MySQL, right?
Mm-hmm.
And what happens next?
So like we can say like in our application, like you if you want to like see logs on Kibana, so you have to provide some key value points. So you have to give us uh, one, we can say, XML file you have to provide. So they are like key value format values you have to provide, like microservice name, and port, and like log labels. You have to define these the values. So with the help of our
Where do I define
microservices
these
here.
values?
Sorry.
Where do I define these values?
Your voice is too low.
Where do I? give these values? You said you are going to give the microservice name, port, and you give the log levels, right?
Hmm. Hmm.
Where do I give